So this is the embedded controller evaluation board. As you can see here, this is a microcontroller AT89C51 ED2, which is having some of the features like on-chip 64 KB flash programmable data memory, on-chip 1792 bytes expanded RAM, on-chip 2048 bytes EEROM, on-chip SPI interface, that is serial peripheral interface, as well as on-chip 16-bit programmable counter array. Also you can see there are 4 different ports, that is port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. We already discussed, like, there is operation frequency of this microcontroller is 11.0592 megahertz. Just keep in mind. And all the 4 ports are terminated at individual 4 10-pin FRC headers. As you can see here, this is the flat ribbon cable, FRC cable, and with this FRC cable we actually connect the port of a microcontroller to different interfacing. Okay, so it has several onboard interfacing. As you can see here, there is alphanumeric 16:2 LCD display. There is a 6-digit 7-segment display interface. You can see correspondingly here ports in order to connect the port from microcontroller to the particular interfacing, whether it is LCD or 7-segment display or 7-segment display interface, whatever it may be. Also it has several LEDs interface using serial shift registers. You can see LEDs here. There is a 4x4 keypad. This is a 4x4 keypad. This is the elevator interface. You can see LEDs and switches here for elevator. And this is 8-bit DAC interface and 8-bit successive approximation ADC and the temperature sensor here. This elevator is actually 3 levels. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. And we have an onboard stepper motor and a DC motor. This is actually the stepper motor to connect to the stepper motor interface, and this is the DC motor to connect to the DC motor here. Also we have a solid state relay. You can see here, this is the solid state relay and this is the buzzer. Okay. Now for RF and IF, we have an RF receiver and RF transmitter as well as an IR. This is the RF and IR interfacing. Also we have variable frequency and pulse width modulation generator using dual timer. And there is compare, capture and PWM demo using on-chip PCA. That interfacing part is this. And we have RS422 or RS485 interface. That is this part. And here you can see I2C interface and SPI interface. I2C is inter-integrated circuit protocol. This interface is to RTC as well as NVROM. This is the RTC and this is the NVROM. And this SBI interface is to 12-bit ADC. This is the interfacing part. And we have the supply to this board as 5 volt 1 ampere supply. Whenever you start to do the program, you have to switch on this. This is a 5 volt 1 ampere supply given to this board. And this is the RS232 interface. That is, this interface connect our PC to our board. And one important thing with respect to this board is, whenever you are running a program, there is a switch here. Now it is in the program mode, and there is one more mode, that is the run mode. Okay. Whenever you are running a program, you have to keep it in the run mode as well as you have to press the reset button. You have to make sure this one. Okay.